If you look at almost any business analyst job description today, you will see two tools mentioned over and over: JIRA and Confluence. But what are these tools? What do they actually do? And how does a business analyst use them day to day? In this video, I'll break both tools down simply so you can walk into any interview or Agile team. JIRA is a project management and issue tracking tool built by Atlassian. It is the most widely used tool for Agile teams worldwide. In JIRA, all the work a team needs to do is broken down into individual items called tickets or issues. These tickets can be epics, user stories, tasks, subtasks, or bugs. The team manages all their work, planning, tracking, and delivering through JIRA. There are a few key concepts in JIRA every BA must understand. The backlog, a prioritized list of all tickets yet to be worked on. The sprint board shows what the team is working on in the current sprint with columns like to do, in progress, and done. Epics, large bodies of work broken down into smaller user stories. And workflows, the journey a ticket takes from creation to completion. As a BA, you will spend a lot of time creating and refining tickets in the backlog and working closely with the product owner to keep it organized. So what does a BA actually do in JIRA? You create user stories, writing the story title, description, and acceptance criteria directly in the JIRA ticket. You manage the backlog, adding, refining, and prioritizing tickets with the product owner. You track progress, monitoring which stories are in progress, blocked, or completed during the sprint. And you log defects during UAT, raising bug tickets with clear steps to reproduce, expected results, and actual results. Now let's talk about Confluence, also made by Atlassian. If JIRA is where the team manages their work, Confluence is where they document their knowledge. Think of it as a shared wiki or knowledge base for your entire team and organization. Everything from project documentation, meeting notes, BRDs, process flows, and onboarding guides lives in Confluence. It is organized into spaces like folders, and each space contains pages where the actual content lives. As a business analyst, Confluence is your documentation home base. You store your BRDs and FRDs, so all stakeholders can access the latest version in one place. You write and publish meeting notes after every stakeholder meeting. You document process flows and wireframes for the development team. And you maintain a project wiki, a central page that links to everything the team needs. JIRA and Confluence also integrate directly. You can link a Confluence page to a JIRA ticket so requirements and work items stay connected. So what's the difference between the two? JIRA is for managing work, tickets, sprints, backlogs, and tracking progress. Confluence is for storing knowledge, documentation, requirements, meeting notes, and decisions. Most teams use them together: JIRA for doing, Confluence for documenting. As a BA, you will use both every single day. If you are just starting out, here are 3 practical tips. First, both tools have free versions. Go to Atlassian.com and create a free account. You can create your own JIRA project in Confluence space to practice right now, no cost. Second, practice creating user stories in JIRA, using the format we covered in video 5. Third, create a sample BRD page in Confluence. Even a simple mock document will build your confidence and give you something to talk about in interviews. To summarize, JIRA is your tool for managing Agile work and tracking progress. Confluence is your tool for documenting requirements, decisions, and knowledge. Together they form the backbone of how most BA teams operate today. And knowing both will make you a significantly more employable business analyst. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Business Analysis Simplified and check out our full BA series linked below. See you in the next one.